Today, I'm going to show you how we make our perfume. We used our scent calculator to compute for the ingredients or the quantity of the ingredients that we will use in our perfume. First is, of course, the fragrance oil. This is 250 ml fragrance oil, and this is inspired by Light Blue by Dolce & Gabbana. We will be using this 1 gallon amber bottle where we're going to do our mixing. Next is our fixative. This is our scent retainer. This will make our perfume last long on your skin, on our skin. Next is the DPG or dipropylene glycol. This is our moisturizer. Next is our distilled water, 90 ml. We use Wilkins, sometimes Absolute. The last one is our 750 ml deodorized alcohol or perfume grade alcohol. So we will start mixing now. First, we will put the 250 ml fragrance oil in our amber bottle. Okay. And then we'll mix our 80 ml fixative. This is our scent retainer, and this will slow down the evaporation rate of our fragrance oil so that it will really last long on our skin or in our clothes. And we will mix the two together really well. I will close this first. And mix, mix, mix. Mix this well. Okay. We will add next, we will add our 90 ml DPG or dipropylene glycol. This is our moisturizer. This will make our perfume safe to our skin, especially if you are very sensitive to chemicals. And we will now add the 90 ml distilled water. This is also an additional moisturizer for our skin. And again, we will mix this really well. We have to mix this now because once this is already aged, we won't be mixing this anymore. After 14 days, we won't be mixing anymore so that we won't destroy the molecules of the perfume. Okay. And lastly, we're going to add our 750 ml perfume grade alcohol or deodorized alcohol. And I'm having a hard time. We will use the syringe for this. Hold on. Okay, so I have the syringe now. This is 100 ml syringe. It doesn't have any needle in it, so it's very easy to use and very convenient to use. All right, so very easy. Okay, so we have the link for our scent calculator or fragrance calculator at the description below. You can use it to formulate your own perfume. So as long as you have your fragrance oil, just put in the ml, the quantity of fragrance oil, and it will automatically compute for the other ingredients. Okay. And we'll just use the funnel. So there will be only one pouring of the deodorized alcohol. Okay, and we will be mixing this very, very well, because again, we will be aging this for 14 days, and after 14 days, never mix your perfume, because it will break down the molecules, and if the molecules are broken down, it means the scent will disperse. Okay, so this is our light blue by Dolce & Gabbana inspired perfume, and this is one of our best sellers. We will now store our perfume in a dark room. We use amber bottles for our perfume because the perfume is very sensitive to the light while it's still aging. The light will damage the quality of the perfume, so it's better to keep them in the dark while they're still aging. These are our other scents. You can also watch our other video wherein we fill our bottles with the perfume, and we also have another video for the scent calculator and for our drawstring pouch on how we make them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned from it. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.